Hello guys, this is Dima of Hive, and we are introducing a new feature, GPU Hub. The standard approach for managing your GPUs is working with the workers, with the rigs. But if you have lots of similar cards and you want to flash them, overclock them in bulk, no matter where do they stay physically, in what rig or what farm. So if you have lots of similar GPUs and you manage your farm in this way, you will love this feature. Okay, so here it is. You can find it in a cards tab, and here are all the cards we have in our office farm. First of all, you can see you have lots of filters where you can filter GPUs by brand, by memory, by size of your RAM, by BIOS and overclocking settings. Also, if you know the name of the worker, you can easily find the GPUs installed on this particular worker, or worker groups if they share the same name or prefix or suffix or whatever. For a convenient usage of this feature, we also introduced ROM storage server side. So you upload your files, which you usually have on your computer, for all the settings and ROM versions for all types of cards. You upload them here and then you can use them. So let's say I want to flash RX 580 with Micron chips with 8 gigs RAM, and I select them all, and on top menu I have the BIOS menu. I select the BIOS I want to flash and click select. Nothing happens yet. These cards are marked to be flashed, so the jobs are created. I can clear my filters, find another card I want to flash, let's say this gigabyte, select another BIOS here, and then just click flash card. The process starts. After the flashing process completes, I can filter the failed GPUs here and see what's happening by clicking on the worker and see what's going on here. In this case, file checksum mismatch. Here is the success status that is have been flashed. In workers messages, you have extended information what had happened, as in the usual flashing process. What else can you do in bulk? You can select all the cards you want, actually filtered by some of your criteria, and click on overclocking templates. This is all you have used to, except you can tune AMD and Nvidia cards in the same place and same time. But the best feature I like, we have reintroduced, available in Hive 1 version, popular presets, public directory of overclocking profiles. So if you want to spy on other user settings, or you need some starting point for tuning your own rig, you can select either coin or the algorithm you want to tune for, let's say it's ET hash, and then you have option to select model of a card, size of RAM, and see how popular this overclocking is used. So this overclocking is used by almost 300 GPUs, and you can see the popularity of this setting, and you can try to apply it to your rig. The settings are copied in this dialog, and then you go with them by clicking on apply as usual. And did I mention that Nvidia flashing is ready now? So you can download BIOS for your green card, and you can flash BIOS for your green card. You click Nvidia, select ROM file, select card where you want to flash it. But this is a very risky process, so be careful. Okay guys, so have a happy flashing now.